Hi, my name's Roger G. I'm 57 years old from Lower Hutt, New Zealand, and I booked through IndiCure for a bilateral hip replacement. IndiCure has really made the whole thing seamless. I cannot fault IndiCure one bit, from organising everything from visas and pickups, everything. They just made the whole thing seamless. I cannot fault IndiCure at all. Surgeons, Dr. Khanna and his team were really good. There was a bit of a delay, but the hips I went in. I'm walking 100% now. No fault, cannot fault them at all. The nurses, 100%. Really good care, pre and post-op, really good care. IndiCure, I cannot fault them. They are 100% really, really good and easy to deal with. Surgery, perfect. Nurses, perfect. I would 100% recommend IndiCure to other people. Yep, 100%. Would not hesitate. I would come back again on IndiCure, through IndiCure.
Hello, I'm Paulette Scott. I'm Roger's partner from Lower Hutt also. We've had a great experience here with IndiCure. Would 100% recommend them. For the last few years, Roger's hips have been becoming increasingly worse and he's been in pain and getting a little bit grumpy. And we saw Claire Olsen in the Stuff article and we contacted her and she was great, and we contacted IndiCure and had a really, really good experience right from the get-go. They explained things really clearly. They've picked us up and dropped us off and taken us to various appointments where we've asked them. They dropped a walker at the hotel specifically for Roger. They've explained things really well. Anyone reading this, then obviously just you can reach out to us or you can jump online and they really clearly explain things. And we've had a great experience. Thank you.